Damn. I forgot what I was going to say. Totally spaced out what I was going to say. That's funny. Oh, I know. I'm back. Hey tubers. Hey tubers, how's it going today? Today's video is a pretty simple one. I've got moisture getting into the lens of this tail light. Now this one's been repaired before. It actually cracked at the same time. So I've got a hairline crack here. Moisture gets in, but it's got no place to evaporate out. I've been parking it in the sun. It just doesn't do it. My plan is to drill a hole in the top here. This way, as it heats up, it's got some place to go. And then I will do the same kind of good patch here on all of this stuff. Nice thing about an old truck, you can't hurt it. I don't want to press too hard, and it appears I picked a really dull drill bit. Man, I gotta go find a better drill bit. I'm back. I think I might have actually used that drill bit for drilling cement. I mean, this is plastic. It shouldn't be bulletproof. Oh yeah, this one's cutting in with very light pressure. I'm taking my time. There it is. Now hopefully this moisture is coming in right through that crack. We'll now have some place to go with it parked in the sun. Instead of just collecting and condensing, let's see if we can't get it to go out. Since I'm drilling holes, I'm going to drill too. Now, it'll be a day or two for me, but just a blink for you. And I will bring you back and show you the patch job. But right now, this is the lens full of condensation. And I'm not sure what gives you the best view of it. And then you can see here I've drilled 2 holes. 1, 2. Okay, that's a look at it. And again, this patch here, that's actually a piece of a sunglass case that I used to make it happen. And again, I'll show you my secret weapon. I'll tell you right now, it's a hot glue gun. Okay. Well, let's get to the repair. Before I actually use my hot glue gun, after sitting in the sun all day, the lens is cleared up. And what I did was drill a couple of small holes, again in the top. This is the crack I believe it's coming in. Or at least the moisture is making its intrusion. So, what do? Well, again, one more Mickey Mouse repair. glue gun's not ready yet. Oh, here we go. It's starting to flow. The glue is starting to flow. Let's let it get nice and hot. Nice and hot. Okay. So, here you go. Whether you're patching it or just plugging cracks, you got your glue gun. Now, where I've drilled holes, I'm actually squirting a little bit on the inside. But any place where I think there's a crack, I'm nailing it. I'm letting this thing heat up a little again. I'm also inspecting my old work. Now, really, I'm not trying to be smooth or fancy or any of that stuff. Just trying to get a good bond in here. See, if you let that moisture stay in there, it is just going to corrode your socket, and eventually you'll have more problems. Now, this fix works even if you've just got the pieces. You can hot glue this plastic back together and it lasts. This patch here has probably been on for at least a year, maybe 2. These are sealed well. I'm just putting an extra coat on there for the hell of it. And you know, if you wanted to, you could probably go through this with a razor knife and cut off the unnecessary excess. But that seems like a lot of trouble. Well, here's a close look at my work. I mean, as you can see, it's all kind of lumpy. I'm not touching it because it's hot. But again, the panel is solid, so it will pass inspection. It keeps water off the light bulbs and electrical. For my old truck, that's a success. All these people wasting their money upgrading their lights and tires and that bullshit. Save your pennies. There you go, another quick fix on the Tundra. God, am I doing this truck dirty. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed it.